In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable AutoSave in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and load the workbook you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, you can also open a blank workbook first and then save it afterward. The important thing to know is that AutoSave is designed to save your work automatically as you make changes, which can be incredibly helpful for preventing lost progress. Before you turn it on, there's one key requirement. AutoSave only works when your Excel file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. So if your workbook is currently saved only on your computer, you'll need to save it to one of those cloud locations first. This allows Excel to keep your changes updated continuously while you work. Once your workbook is open, save the file to OneDrive or SharePoint if you haven't already done that. After the file is stored there, look to the upper left corner of the Excel window. You should see the AutoSave toggle. Go ahead and switch AutoSave to On. Once enabled, Excel will begin saving your edits automatically as you make them, so you won't need to rely as much on manual saving. If the AutoSave option is unavailable or you can't turn it on, there are a few things to check. First, confirm that the file is actually saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, because AutoSave won't work for files stored only locally. Next, make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft account in Excel. If you're not signed in, the feature may remain disabled even if the file is in the right location. You should also check the workbook format. If the file is using an older format such as .xls, AutoSave may not be supported. In that case, saving the workbook in a newer Excel format can help. Another thing to verify is whether the workbook has been marked as read-only. If it is, Excel won't be able to save changes automatically, so AutoSave won't be available until that restriction is removed. As a final tip, for the best experience, save your workbook to OneDrive and keep AutoSave turned on whenever possible. This gives you a smoother workflow and adds an extra layer of protection for your work, especially if you're making frequent changes throughout the day. And that's how to enable AutoSave in Microsoft Excel.